Alright guys, I'm going to do the unboxing for my Note 4. Imagine, this better not be the Note 3. Better not be. Alright, yep, so Samsung Galaxy Note 4. Obviously. Bubble wrap. I used to love bubble wrap when I was younger. Still pretty cool, I guess. I'll probably pop it after I use my phone. Alright, so here's my that big bill. Wow, it's all freaking blurry. $863.99. Wow. $864. Wow, it feels nice and heavy. This is kind of cool, but I'm not really exactly sure what it is. I'm sure I'll find out. Look at that. Alright. Okay, the seal is not broken, so I guess accept it. It says do not accept if seal is broken. Seal isn't broken yet, but now it is. Alright, so there's the other seal. Oh, okay, another seal on the other side. Okay, color charcoal black. And the good thing about it is Andrea wasn't here, so. And boom! Oh yeah, isn't it beautiful, guys? Is that not beautiful? Look at ultimate viewing, quad super. It's pretty thin too. Whoa, it's pretty thin. It appears. It's not huge. I mean, it's good size. It's quite thin. See what else is in here. The goodie box. Purchase information. A weird charger. I don't know why it's like adaptive fast charging. I don't know why this is like a. Looks like it's from a different country. This charger. Travel adapter. Oh, okay, it's for travel. So I guess if you go to different countries. Well, that's cool, I guess. Some headbuds or something. Some nice headphones it comes with. I don't know if they're nice, but nice. Some headphones. That, which I'm not sure. It's probably something to do with S Pen. Charger. And this is pretty decently large, but also long and thin compared to most batteries I've seen. Charger. Alright, so that's it. Wow. $800 for that, huh? Well, I just hope that, it's worth every penny. That's all I can hope. Oh yeah. Should be sick. Alright guys, so I'm gonna end the video now. Take care. I will do an update video probably on my my first impressions and my thoughts about it. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.